So I wanted to share with you a little bit about why I decided to bring in these oral supplements. We have our own collagen powder as well as oral skin capsules. I really want to empower you with the right tools to have the healthiest skin. And healthy skin is not just about what we do externally with different skincare products, in-office and at-home procedures, etc. All of those are, of course, extremely important and have a place, but to have truly the healthiest skin possible, we do have to ensure that we take care of ourselves internally, systemically, because if we don't have the right building blocks from our diet, from our food, we can't really create the collagen we need, the peptides and the proteins and all of those really important components. And so just to ensure that you all, my patients and customers, clients, that we all have the right building blocks, this collagen powder and these skin capsules together do different things. Ideally I wanted to create just one product to make it easy. Collagen though, you do need a certain quantity of the collagen powder, and on the website I'm sure you can read all of the technical details as to why I do believe that this collagen is one of the few that truly will work for your skin, because there's a lot of Me Too collagen powders out there that don't have the right collagen type and the source and the peptides. I mean, there's so many variables that go into creating the optimal collagen composition for your skin. And then these capsules, as I was saying before, ideally I wanted to create one product, but you need enough quantity, and so you wouldn't be able to fit, for example, the powder into a capsule. So when you get this, the powder is a white color, and you have a scooper. And just, one scoop a day is fine. If you wanted to do more than that, that's fine as well. It will dissolve nicely inside any liquid. It could be just water or inside a smoothie, whatever works for you. And it's totally odorless and tasteless. So you won't even know that it's in there, but you'll be doing something really nutritious and restorative for your skin. These skin capsules, these are, I'll show you the size. Here we go. This is what they look like. The instructions on the back do talk about taking 4 a day. It's up to you. The reason why it's 4 is, can you imagine putting in, this much quantity into one capsule? So that would be hard. That's why it's saying 4. But honestly, even if you took just 2 a day or 1 a day, a little bit is better than nothing. But what I really like is I really studied all of the different vitamins, minerals, everything that's going to be scientifically vetted to help your hair, skin, and nails in terms of providing it with the right building blocks is just super important. Especially also these days, as we, are very diligent with sun protection, we have to be mindful of our vitamin D levels. And so, vitamin D and, all these other important vitamins and minerals are all going to be provided in here for you on a daily basis. So when you combine these oral supplements with what you're doing externally on your skin, then you'll really have everything you need, and you'll be fully equipped to ensure that you have the healthiest skin possible.